From brightening bridges and historic landmarks to helping their community bloom, the intent is clear. With a little soil, a few tools, and a whole lot of heart, they've been on a quest for the best botanicals for 70 years now.
The Spade and Trowel Garden Club of Seaford, that is, has brought joy to so many lives, both the members and to those that gaze upon their work. And you can help them celebrate at the end of this month. We are here welcoming Carol Kinsley, the president of the Spade and Trowel Garden Club of Seaford, along with the anniversary luncheon chairperson, Mary Noel. Welcome to DelmarvaLife, ladies.
Thank you. Thank you.
70 years. That's incredible. Why has this tradition been so long-standing?
People love gardening, and there were members of the Acorn Club in Seaford who wanted more opportunities to garden and share their love of gardening, so they formed a club. In 1958, they had, I think it was 70 members. We have about 35 now, but we are still going strong.
Yeah.
Love it.
So tell us about some of the projects and accomplishments that you guys have been part of with the club.
I think one of the greatest ones, if you drive through Seaford and you look at the railroad bridges and the bridges by the hospital, we plant them every year,
Really?
along with 24 pots throughout the town, so it helps with community beautification. And we also have started now a garden
Garden of the Month.
Garden of the Month club group, and we visit community gardens, people and their homes, and we judge them. And then if they are a winner, we put a sign up that they're the Garden of the Month. And it has to be landscaping that's done by the homeowner.
Yeah.
So we do that every month too.
That's incredible.
That's wonderful.
It would get me out in the garden, that's
Yeah,
for sure.
definitely.
Can you tell us a little bit about these flower shows that you guys hold?
We just had one in October with the Four Seasons Gardeners of Heritage Shores. They wanted to know how to do a show, so we said, okay, we'll put one on together. We had several design classes and lots of horticulture and lots of photographs because their photography club joined in.
Nice.
And we won a state award and also a National Garden Club award for the good job that we did. It was a beautiful show.
Oh,
awesome.
Congratulations on
Congratulations,
that.
yeah, for sure.
So a big part of what you do is learning, education, knowledge. Can you think of anything that you've learned over the years through the garden club?
Oh my goodness.
Native plants.
Oh, okay.
Yes. I came from Pennsylvania and New Jersey, and I couldn't believe the difference in growing plants here from the area, you know.
And I've learned the right plant in the right place.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's important.
Tuesday, we had our monthly meeting. We had a lady who came in and told us all about bees. They spend like 3 weeks inside the hive, and then they go out and do their outside field work for about 3 more weeks, and then they're done.
Yeah, very important. You couldn't do what you're doing without the bees, right?
Right,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Can you tell us a little bit about this luncheon that's coming up?
I'll let Mary do that.
Okay, this is open to the public. It's $35. We like the public to come. We'd like to share with what we've been doing in gardening with them, all the different activities. And plus, we're having a speaker, and she's going to be, which is a floral design speaker. And she's going to be excellent.
She's an internationally known designer, master flower show judge with National Garden Club, international design instructor. Her designs have been in books and magazines. I've heard her before. She has a beautiful English accent. She's from the United Kingdom originally. And she's going to make some designs for us and give us tips for our next flower show. and then the designs will be raffled off.
Wonderful. And if that sounds like something you would like to attend, we have all the details. Of course, we put it on our website, but here you go. It is Tuesday, September 30th at noon, Union Methodist Church. That's in Bridgefield, Delaware. Go to DelmarvaLife.com and click on what's happening today for all the information. Carol and Mary.
I'd just like to add, if they'd like to have tickets, they can call Sandy Blackwell, 302-542-3174.
And we'll have that information on our website. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you.